Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for checking in. So today we have the M3X boot from MSR. So if you are shopping for just a good entry-level boot that's comfortable, has some good protection, at a really good value, then this is a boot that you would definitely want to check out. So as we go through and we talk about this today, if you have questions or comments, want some feedback, more than happy to give you and share that with you. So make sure leave all that in the comment section below. But with the M3X, so as far as sizing goes, I've tried these on. So sizing is going to be true. If you wear a size 9 or a size 10 shoe, get the same size in the boot. As far as the width of the toe box area goes, it's got plenty of width there. Now, we want to make sure that you get the size that's going to be best for you. That's why we have our fit guarantee. If you get these or any boot that we sell, if you don't like how it fits, send it back to some brand new unused condition. And what we do is we give you free shipping both ways on your first exchange to make sure you get the size and fit that's going to be best for you. Another thing that I do want to point out, you can see it behind me. So MSR has a lot of cool colorways in their riding gear. They have the Axis and the NXT line. So be sure, if you're shopping for all new gear and you want to be matching head to toe, even with their helmets, check out the MSR gear that also is available. I've ridden in that a lot as well. So again, I'm more than happy to share my feedback on the MSR riding gear if you do have questions. But looking at it, so a couple things that I like. So the construction of this is in microfiber, which is a synthetic leather. So it's high quality, it's gonna last a long time. And you can see you've got a good amount of plastic impact protection here. So on the top of the toe box here, nice large shim plate here. It's gonna offer good impact protection there. And then you can see as you wrap around the inside, hard plastic here all the way along the inside of the ankle. And then up here on top, you've got this suede burn guard here just to add to the durability. You've got this gaiter up here on the top of the boot just to help create a good seal when you have these on to prevent any debris and stuff from going inside the boot. And then as far as the buckle design goes, so it's a 4-buckle design. The buckles are replaceable. And what's nice is that this is a design that works really, really well. Even the buckles get dirty, they get gunked up, it's still easy to operate. So you take your strap, which is adjustable, and then you're just gonna slide it right over top of the buckle, and then just snap those into place. So again, it's a design that works well, shouldn't have any issues with that. As far as the sole goes, so you've got your molded sole, and this rubber that they're using on this is actually very, very grippy. It's just as grippy, to be honest with you, as any premium rubber that I have felt, so that does a great job. You do have a steel shank inside here as well, which is gonna add to the support. So that's gonna go inside that sole, and again, the reason for that is when you're riding, if you're starting to jump, going at higher speeds, you wanna have good support for your foot and for your ankle, and that's what that steel shank is there to do. So like I said, with the M3X boot, again, if you're shopping for just a good entry-level boot at a great value, definitely one that you want to check out. You've got multiple colorways to choose from, and as always, like I said, questions, comments, leave those down below. To grab your set today, it's simple. Click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over 75 bucks, which means these boots are going to ship for free. And as always, if you like this video, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel because we are constantly releasing videos just like this on all the best products out there. So get subscribed and stay up to date. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.